I'm still going. Got the posts in the ground. They're being held up by 2x4s. Those are 2x4x2s. I should have got some 2x4x4s because I'm having trouble keeping them up. But that's okay. Got about 3 more holes to go. So this is where I'm at right now. I'm making progress. 3 more holes, like I said. I'm going to pull this off. Oh, yeah. Okay, got that one in. Here's the second one. And there's the third one. Got them in, 2x4s, holding them up. Got one that is kind of leaning. Yep. I got to do something about it. I don't really have the 2x4s secured. I got to hurry up. It's getting late. Okay, got the fast setting Quickcrete from Home Depot. 50-pound bag. It better work. This is like $6 a bag after taxes. Oh yeah, should be the best. Okay, so look, like any person would do, when you're doing a project like this, you start getting your material, tools, equipment, stuff like that. Makes sense, right? And that's what I did. I thought I had enough bags. These holes are big. The bags are small. 50-pound bags for the size of these holes just won't work. Not a big deal. I realize I'll need more bags. So I go to the store. All of the Quickcrete fast setting concrete is gone. So luckily, I have a couple more bags of my own. So I had to pick something else up. I'm hoping it works. That looks okay. So I have 3 different bags that I had to buy. If I have to be out here this late, I need light. Those are the remaining bags. Let's look over here. Got some concrete in the hole. Have them all filled just about. Over here. Let's get to it. Got my bags. Leveler or level, however you want to say it. Let's do it. Word of the day, patience. Patience with a capital P. You need lots of it for something like this. Okay, I'll put some concrete down the holes. I don't know how I'm going to attach this chain link. I'm not even worried about it right now. Let's just keep going and we'll figure that out later. No more fast setting. This was it. As far as what I needed. There was nothing else. So I really had no choice. I hope it works. We'll see. Once again and again and again and again and one more time, you do not do this job without something like this. This level is great. Spend the money. It's only a few dollars. Okay, folks. Looks like I got posts in the ground. And we're just waiting on the water, right? This hole looks good. It's not as big. The other one's horrible as far as width. But again, I think it'll make a strong foundation because that concrete ain't going nowhere. So far, the hardest part of the project was working in this area. The posts are a lot closer together and the neighbor's chain link fence was in the way, at least the part I couldn't cut down. So I had to work around all of this. See the string? See how it's touching the post? At least you know everything's leveled and going according to plan. I hope this works out. I'm still going. I thought it'd be best for me to pour the bag of concrete in the hole first, then add water. I know some of you probably would have opted to get a wheelbarrow. I have one, by the way. You guys know that. You would have gotten your wheelbarrow, tore open the bag, added water, then mixed it in the wheelbarrow. Not me. Why'd you get one? Just in case. I'm at Home Depot. It's the morning. I need more concrete. Let's go inside. Would you look at this? Look at this. Would somebody look at this? Look at this. I can't believe it. All these bags. All here. None of this was here last night. None of it. None of this. Well, that was. None of the fast setting, though. None of the fast setting. I literally had to make another trip, and I didn't have to. They just would have had what I needed. It's like a waste of time almost. It just pushes things back. I'm glad that they have what they have now, but I really needed this last night. Just to add water, though. That's probably the only part I don't like. The loading, the unloading. Bags are heavy. I don't know about you, but my back isn't what it used to be. So I feel the effects greatly, if you know what I mean. If you know, you know. Let's take a look at the holes. Okay, guys, don't turn your nose up at my holes, okay? Like I said, you got to give me some slack. It's the first time for me. So I'm learning. Next time, this will be better. I hope. I think. So I have to add more here. I'm not going back to that store. Forget about it. I refuse. I refuse. I do. I do. Luckily, I have this little cart. Okay, let's take a look. Here we go. That hole looks good. Like that. Over here. Needs a little help. No problem. That looks good. I like that. Let's check it out. Oh, wow. Man, it's not even moving. Nothing. I think I did a good job, folks. Wow, amazing. I know I have a long way to go, but I'm getting there. At this point, I'll do whatever it takes to preserve my back. So I'll cut the bag open a little bit, pour some of the concrete in the hole, just like this. You know what, guys? A part of me is thinking, if the holes weren't so big, I'd be done with this by now. What do you think? Leave a comment. Anyway, I'm getting there. Poster in the ground. Well, the best part, adding water. Why is it the best? It's soothing, and it's the easiest. You know what, guys? Can't quite put my finger on it. But if I had to bet, and I'm not a bet man, but if I were, I bet it would be best to tear the bag open, pour it in a bucket or wheelbarrow, then add water, then take a shovel, and then mix it together. I'm just guessing here. Okay. Anyway, we got the post in the ground. We did it. And these posts aren't going anywhere anytime soon. I guarantee you that. It's going to take a real construction company, I mean a real one, to get these posts out of the ground. Thanks for watching. Bye.